Alright, another update. It's been a while. I've got another different stereo. There's what's in there now. 215s, the Obsidians, as you can see. There's the other one. There's the ports. 4 4-inch arrows. They go down into the box, down to, I don't know, about down into here, like 16 inches long. And here's what we got powering them. I've got each woofer at 1 ohm on its own channel. So on paper, that's, I think it said 1700 watts per channel. Keep in mind these woofers are rated at 600 watts. So yeah, they get warm after a little bit. So yeah, I mean, it's not bad for what I have into it. I'm gonna say the last setup I had in here was louder. I'm not gonna say that for sure because I don't know yet. I haven't had it on meter, but that's coming up this Friday. So that's it for now. So